Hi, I'm Dylan with Vmake and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create professional, eye-catching ads in just minutes with our AI creative ads feature. Let's be real, making and creating adverts usually takes hours of editing, finding the right layout, the right music, the right edits and the right product placement. It's a lot, but Vmake makes this entire process super easy. So let's jump in with how to make creative ads in Vmake. So head over to vmake.ai. Once you're logged on, you're going to see this menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down to AI Creative Ads. It's then going to bring you up with a whole host of different templates. If I hover over the templates, I can see exactly what they would bring for my creative ad. Make sure you select the template that fits your campaign. Once inside the template, you'll see different content blocks, text, product images, transitions, and effects on the web, and all of this software is in the browser, meaning no install or download is required. Text to video is turning text into your ad. Mine is going to be utilizing an image to then create the ad from as the baseline. And here we can see the elements, the frames, and the effects. Hover over the upload images button and select AI generator because I would like to create an AI image of my product, a notebook A3 green, and I'm going to download this and select back to head over to my AI creative ads page. From here, I'm now going to re-upload the product image. So my effect is a 360 view. I think that looks super sharp, and I can now select an AI scenario. There's hover, ripples, booth, outdoor, and I'm going to select generate. And then let's say I wanted to change up what had been generated in terms of the effect. I could also select to generate a ripples version of this creative ad. The best part is it takes just one click. And it's got the perfect music vibe. The rotation is very slick and clean. Download that with no watermarks since I'm a pro member. And what makes the web version of Vmake special? Well, everything here today runs directly in your browser. Templates are optimized for quick customization, and you get professional quality ads without downloading any software. And here is my second example, super clean with ripples in the background. The music is different and it sounds fantastic. Now let's say I wanted to utilize this feature in terms of turning text into a creative ad. I would head over to the text to video section and I would describe exactly what I wanted from my advert. And here's the magic. Type in AI prompts to adjust your ad's look. Want a minimalist vibe or something bold and colorful? Just describe it and Vmake will instantly redesign your ad. Now let's say there was a different creative ad that you would like to use. Head back over to the AI creative ad section, scroll down, find the correct template. I'm going to re-upload my photo that I already have pre-saved. This time it's going to be for the orange notebook. So I select generate.
Now there are plenty of other great templates you can choose from. For example, the present. Once loaded into the effects panel, you can select your image to use, and you can also see the custom instructions set out for the motion for this template. And look at that, it looks absolutely fantastic, great, for example, for Christmas, and there is my camera. What you can also do is adjust the motion by customizing the text to have exactly what you want to have from the advert. So for example, I want to add some sparkles and light around the unboxing. It is different to before. The sparkles and the gold are there and the camera is revealed. It is absolutely fantastic, and you can customize everything to exactly what you want. Now at the top left hand corner, if you select elements and then model, you can see all of the different generators that are available for us to create our adverts. Different generators have different properties. For example, the balance of speed and quality and time can be adjusted. Others are great for animation and others are great for real-time scenarios. So there is lots of customization. So I'm going to select C-Dance 1.0 Pro. I've got a brand new motion and product image, and now I've got a super clean and quick product ad directly customized to what I wanted.
And that is how easy it is to create stunning ads with the web version of Vmake. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, please do leave a like, subscribe down below, and drop a comment. Be sure to share this video with a creative friend, and I can't wait to see what you make with Vmake.